Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to refresh and do a hard refresh of your Google Chrome web page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you just want to do a normal refresh, you can either tap the F5 key on your keyboard, or you can select the refresh button up at the top corner of the address bar. This will just look at your browser cache, sending a request to the server for new content. This is very common in web browsers just to reload the current web page, just to ensure that the latest version of the website is displayed. Now, alternatively, you can also tap the Control and F5 key combination at the same time in Google Chrome, which will use a forced reload of the web page, so it would be a new web page, and it does not use the cached files that are being stored from that page. So it's brand new. So if you tap Control and F5, it's different than tapping just the F5 or the refresh button up at the top corner of the address bar. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.